I would like to show you some impressions from our marina. We have actually December 28th, 2021, and we are here in our home marina, which is in Croatia, close to Zadar. We have today about 15 degrees Celsius. We had some rain during the last night, some sunshine in the morning. Now it's getting cloudy again, but the next days they are calling for sunshine and about 15-16 degrees, no wind, so it will be a very nice weather to go out. We will stay during New Year's Eve in a bay, looking to the fireworks here and enjoy our time. And I would like to show you some examples how people care about their boats. We are here on our pier. You see plenty of sailboats, and there are some motor yachts also at the end of this pier. And here's a nice example of somebody who takes really good care about his boat. Here's a complete winter cover, so there's no rain and sunshine causing problems on the boat, so everything is protected, and he will have not many care issues in the springtime. And you can even see that there's a solar panel attached to the outside, so the batteries are powered with a solar panel because he's not on shore power, which is good, because the boat will get no corrosion. And yeah, it's a perfect thing to protect your boat from the environment during the winter time when you don't use it. Some people don't like it because it might get wet underneath, some humidity, but you see also all these vent openings, so we often have wind here, dry wind, so I think humidity will not be a problem. And I will show you some other examples. As I said, you see some more sailing boats. Also here you see a nice winter cover, and here we have unfortunately a very poor example of maintenance. This is a small sailboat. I don't know how long it's already here in the water and for how long nobody has been on the boat, but you see it's very, very poor from maintenance. You see all this dirt over there, and even there inside there's black dirt, and yeah, you don't see the details right now, but the wood inside is cracking, the seals from the teak deck are loose, and also the wood on the side walls. Look at the fender, how it looks like. It's very, very poor maintenance wise, and it's a pity to see how people don't take care about their boats. And yeah, that's the view here from our marina. Also, there's another very interesting thing I just discovered today. I will show you in a moment. This is a beautiful Veneto Swift trawler. I think it's a 42. Yeah, it's a 42. And what I discovered today is that they have an interesting way to store their pilot seat, which you can see up there. It's just laying there, and as I said, we have winter time, nobody is here, so we'll stay the next couple of months outside. I don't know what the reason is. Also the hatch is open, so all the water gets down to the teak. I have no idea what the plan was to do it or to leave it like this. Let me hear your idea in the comments. This is also a nice, serious sailing yacht. I like the cabin version, you know, with the raised cabin. Maintenance wise, it could be done something, but what I find interesting is here this big stainless steel pole for the radar, and also a deck light and antenna and so on. It looks very interesting, very massive piece of metal. So somebody did here really in my opinion, a very good job. He also has a back anchor, stern anchor or spare anchor. And yeah, it's I think a nice long distance sailing yacht. And look at the sky with the clouds, looks very interesting. I love wintertime in Croatia. Now I'm coming close to the end of our pier, and yeah, I discovered something today which causes really pain to me, because look at this hydraulic platform. I think he lost oil in one cylinder, so one part of the platform lowered, the other part is still raised, and you know, this I think blocked now mechanically, so maybe something from the construction underneath is also bended. This is really a pity to see it like this, and as I said, it hurts me to see it like this.